Hey, and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. As we know, in GitHub we have the access to know everything that happened in a directory. And for example, for this directory that we fork from this Kong user, we can also check the details and graph of what happened in this direct repository. So let's go to Insight, and here it tells us that for the moment there are two authors with 14 commit and some other stuff. For example, let's click on contributors, and we see the contributor of this repository of Kubernetes, and we see those all the person who contribute or who modify and edit or even write the code that we just forked, and all those are the contributors. If we go here to the traffic, here it tells us that they can't show us the traffic. We don't have enough data to show anymore. So let's go to commit to see how number or how commit this in this repository, and here we see like a graph of each commit. For example, in this date it's 7 commit, this 10 commit, here it's 19 commit, here 17, and here it's just 1 commit in 8 September. And so here we see that, for example, they work on Wednesday with 1 commit. If also we go to, for example, network, we can I think they will load us the graph of the network here. So here in the network it shows us this graph with those are the contributors, or there is also code Jam Ninja, Java, those all the name of the contributors here, the commit that we did. So now this owner, he add this white source configuration file in this date. And also we can see it fork, or the people like us who fork this repository to their local or to their remote or repository or to their GitHub. So all those people are copying or sharing this Kubernetes repository to their own repository in GitHub. And here this is us, and here like the list of all those people. So even if this even if originally this repository we aren't the one who made it or to create it, but when we explore GitHub we see it and we like it and we think that it's useful to us, so we can fork it. And by fork it I mean to put it to our remote repository or to our GitHub repository, and then we can also see all the things that had been happening in this repository. So this is all for this video, and see you next.